Do you see what he's doing?
I know.
اگر کشید بشه اگر اومدن که میان بچه ها رو میگیرن
It looks so far from here from the camera.
Well, actually, it's not that deep. You just kind of look at it, so it's not really that. Here, dude, is everyone looking at you?
Yeah.
Idiot! Let's come back. Oh, did you put that cube thing I told you?
Oh yeah.
It was awesome, wasn't it?
Sucked.
That was
I deleted it.
It had 6 levels, and they all took like an hour to do.
Whoa! It's coming here. It's like a beach.
Wow, that guy's like, what? Wait, I want to go across now.
I should brought my... No, I should brought my canoe. I should brought my canoe, you know, go rafting on Collins Drive. Go rafting on Collins Drive.
You're not swimming now.
I'm not swimming in that kind of water.
No, you can like drink that water, you'll get sick, but not like highly if you're drinking it right here. Because it's moving water, and I'm kind of thirsty, so I'll drink
a lot of water.
I think people are getting ready to cross.
Dude, the dog almost died.
I know, she's like,
I was like, yeah, it's okay.
Dude, the dog's going like this, and she's like,
I'll try.
Material positions or a living thing. And through it.
You know, it's like, picnic supplies or dog.
But picnic supplies for about 2 minutes. Oh, that's what? Close tomorrow? Yes. No way. No, that's horrible. Wait, what did it say? What did the text say?
It said like all Cobb County schools are closed.
Mom, all Cobb County schools are closed. Dude, let me call sushi. It's because of River Heights. Please.
No, dude.
Yes, we are sacred.
What the crap is that?
Hey, Mom, I have 2 missed calls.
I called you.
Where's sushi? Sushi.
Oh, really?
I got faster.
Whoa, where's the dog going?
Probably we're not going to have power for days, maybe, yeah? Yeah, looks like it, yeah?
TV?
Are we going to be on TV?
No, we have no TV. I can't.
Well, because last night it rained all night.
But why is it
It's going to rain all night today, tomorrow. Yeah, brother. Hello?
Cobb? It's like everywhere. It's everywhere. Sure. The Chattahoochee River is.
What?
All the schools are going to be closed in Fulton and whatever.
Yeah, I'll call my cousin in a few minutes.
Chattahoochee has like a lot of the river going through it. The dog almost died. I mean, that's not cool. Fail.
No fail.
That was a fail. I'm stalking these guys. What do you... I don't know.
Maybe I'm going to call command.
What if they're going to my house?